Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get in this. I really like these stick vacuums, but every great product comes with a problem. This one's problem is that it's supposed to be self-standing, but every now and then I catch it moving forward and it ends up falling down all the time. So here at the channel, we like to 3D print solutions for problems that we have. So I ended up designing an original design for a mount for this vacuum. Let's get to putting that mount on. So with this design, all we made sure to do was to not copy anything else of anybody else, but we wanted to make sure that this fit in real snug. So this is the design that we chose. So let's get this mounted in. And just like that, a super simple design. Nice, easy, sleek. Now when I go to slide it in, it slides in real nice and it fits real well. I really liked how simple this print was, and I really liked how awesome the solution is. This was a really simple project. Here at Ideal 3D Projects, we like to keep it simple. Our motto is to keep it simple, stupid. So minimalist items are where we go to. So with this original design, I wanted to keep it that. Slides in real easy. If you got anything from this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in that next video. Later. Peace.